Dear customers, this video is about getting rid of Coldmedia.biz, which is a malicious website. It is malicious because it tries to force you into performing some actions that eventually result in browser hijacking. For example, the pop-up looks like this video file that you are supposed to watch, and it even says that you need to click allow to watch the video. However, the reality is that clicking on that allow button immediately hijacks your browser. My recommendation is that you do not click any buttons, whether it is block or allow button. Regretfully, some people have done that by mistake and they got redirected to some suspicious pages, and the browser may periodically forward you to such unfamiliar resources. I recommend that you go to the menu, click on Settings, then you need to go to Privacy and Security section and choose Site Settings. Now in the Permissions area, find Notifications and inspect the Allow button, the Allow area. Then find this Coldmedia.biz, click on this button and remove the website. I also believe that scanning your Mac with the reliable antivirus is very important, so consider Combo Cleaner antivirus for that purpose. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. When the software is downloaded, it will be initially in the trial mode, but it also has some free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files and Duplicates. When you're in the dashboard, you will need to click on Start Combo Scan. This will be free scanning. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report about your Mac and its safety. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.